Hey Everdine, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that affects all of us. Motivation. Specifically, how do you stay fired up when you're trying to learn something new? Whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, or a professional skill, that initial spark of excitement can sometimes fade. But don't worry, I've got you covered with my Motivation Masterclass. These are the essential tips that will ignite your learning journey and keep that fire burning bright. First things first. Let's talk about your why. This is the single most powerful tool in your motivation toolkit. Before you even start, take a moment to really think about why you want to learn this new skill. Is it to get a better job? To travel the world? To connect with new people? To simply challenge yourself? Write it down, make it specific and emotional. When you feel your motivation dipping, revisit your why. It's your personal North Star, guiding you through the tough spots and reminding you of the bigger picture. A strong why can pull you through when willpower alone isn't enough. Next up, we need to break it down. One of the biggest motivation killers is feeling overwhelmed. Looking at the entire mountain you have to climb is intimidating. So, instead of focusing on the peak, focus on the first step. Break your big goal into tiny, manageable chunks. If you want to learn guitar, don't just say, I'll learn guitar. Start with, I'll learn 3 basic chords this week, or even smaller. I'll practice for 15 minutes today. Each time you complete one of these small tasks, you get a little hit of dopamine, a sense of accomplishment. This creates a positive feedback loop that makes you want to keep going. Celebrate these small wins. They are the building blocks of your success. Now, let's get practical and schedule it. Treat your learning time like you would any other important appointment. Put it in your calendar. If you who say I'll study when I have free time, guess what? You'll never have free time. By scheduling it, you're making a commitment to yourself. It doesn't have to be hours every day. Even 20 to 30 minutes of focused effort, done consistently, is far more effective than a long, sporadic cram session. Consistency is the secret sauce. It builds habits, and habits are what carry you forward when motivation is low. Find a time that works for you. Protect that time, and show up for yourself. Another powerful technique is to create a dedicated learning environment. Our brains are all about association. If you try to study on your bed, your brain thinks it's time to sleep. If you study in front of a TV, you'll be distracted. Find a specific spot, even if it's just a corner of your desk. That is only for learning. Keep it clean, organized, and have all your materials ready. When you sit down in that space, your brain will switch into learning mode automatically. This simple trick reduces the mental effort needed to get started, which is often the hardest part. Make your environment work for you, not against you. Finally, find your community. Learning doesn't have to be a solo journey. Find other people who are learning the same thing. Join an online forum, a local group, or even just tell a friend about your goal. Sharing your progress, your struggles, and your successes with others is incredibly motivating. They can offer advice, hold you accountable, and celebrate your wins with you. Having a support system makes the process more enjoyable and less isolating. You're not alone in this. We're all works in progress, and we're all capable of amazing things when we support each other. So, to recap, find your powerful why. Break your goal into small, achievable steps. Schedule your learning time. Create a dedicated space. And connect with a community. These tips aren't magic, but when you apply them consistently, they create a powerful system for sustained motivation. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this masterclass helps you ignite your own learning journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you live your best life. Let me know in the comments what you're currently learning. I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next video.